Darshini Sharma from Mechanical Engineering Department, 2K23 batch. First of all, I would like to thank you all for giving me such a wonderful opportunity to speak in front of so many people. Really, it means a lot. Dr. Baba Saheb Ambedkar. You know, whenever people talk about Dr. Ambedkar, they always limit him to a leader of downtrodden people. They always limit him to a leader of Dalits. Is that he was limited for only this world? Other introduction people have about him. He was the principal architect of Indian Constitution. Well, that of course is the truth, but it would be not confined. He was more than what people know about him. Even today, after so many years, Dr. Ambedkar is not fully understood or appreciated by their general masses. What people talk about him as a Masiha of downtrodden, as a chief architect of Indian Constitution, is very well the truth, but it should be incomplete to say that. He was truly a multi-talented personality. He was intellectually giant. He was a jurist. He was a socialist, and he was the first law minister of India in Nehru's court. These are the various facets of his personality, which people still do not understand. My friends, this is not all. He has done so much more. He has made many contributions in many other areas for the integration of India. But all the dimensions of life, he was the true nationalist at his core. And the famous quote is, I am the first Indian and I am the Indian in the end. Nothing in between. हम आदि से अंत तक भारतीय हैं. It belongs to Dr. Baba Saheb Ambedkar, not belongs to anybody else. डॉक्टर बाबा साहेब अम्बेडकर का कहना था कि वो एक ऐसे धर्म को मानते थे जो स्वतंत्रता, सम्मानता और भाईचारा सिखाता. डॉक्टर बाबा साहेब ऑलवेज बिलीव इन इक्वालिटी. हिज विजन इज सोशल चेंज. दोस्तों, मैं भारत देश की पुत्री हूँ और एक लड़की होने के नाते डॉक्टर बाबा साहेब अम्बेडकर ने नारी जाति के किए सारे उपकारों से भली भांति परिचित हूँ और उनके बारे में काफी कुछ जानती हूँ. स्वतंत्र भारत में महिलाओं को कोई विशेष अधिकार नहीं हुआ करता था. लेडीज डिड नॉट हैव राइट टू इक्वालिटी. उदाहरण के रूप में बता दूं तो पिता की संपत्ति में पूरा अधिकार उनके पुत्र का हुआ करता था, मगर आज कानूनन वह उनके लिखी राज्य घटना के कारण हुआ है. दिस प्रोविजन इन द इंडियन कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन फॉर ऑल द लेडीज irrespective of caste and religion. I am so lucky to born in independent India. I cannot imagine the life which my foremother lived before independence. Thank you, Baba Saheb, for all you did for India, for all you have done for human life. Dr. Ambedkar is not only a man of intellect, but he was also a man of great moral character. He was a liberal-minded leader with the ideas of democracy, freedom of thought, and expression as regarded to the philosophy of life. Finally, I would like to conclude by saying, cultivation of mind is the ultimate aim of human existence. As the mind cultivates, it seeks the light of knowledge. As knowledge comes, we understand Baba Saheb. As we understand Baba Saheb, we understand ourselves. As we understand ourselves, we are on the right path of liberation. We are on the right path, success is different. और सक्सेस के लिए मैं एक लाइन बोलना चाहूंगी, जीत की खातिर बस जुनून चाहिए. जीत की खातिर बस जुनून चाहिए, जिसमें उबार हो वो खून चाहिए. यह आसमां आएगा जमीन पर, यह आसमां आएगा जमीन पर, बस इरादे में जीत की गूंज चाहिए.